So CIIE is a very, very good opportunity for us, for door. We see a lot of potential in China market. So it's good to know the consumer's preference and so consumer's requirement, so which is now very, very rapidly changing. It's a very good opportunity for us to raising the brand awareness. I want everybody know more about the door. And so I hope, so we're gonna finding out so any other possibility to importing as a product too. I want any other possibility to enter into the second tier, third tier. So we have to talk to the customer in that area. So through this kind of opportunity as a CIIE.